I'll have the stream time just be a salty IL session. That'll be good. Do all the other times that I
Yeah, like your
should
Sand
have.
5 is actually cracked. Like
Yeah.
I had such a good run. Like my PB was actually such a good run, but I did like 7 mistakes at the end. So I kind of ruined it.
So long.
Yeah. I tried to get record in Pirate 8, but that's so long.
Does Broly have that right now?
Yeah.
I know I watched it, but I don't remember. It's like the same route, but it's just good.
Yep.
Oh, I like looked at the wrong moment and I thought you got a crash because of the animal storage like cipher cutscene being like frozen.
Actually good.
I think it might be like slightly worth it to walk towards the other snowflake at least like one more face of the wall because it like you like stand there for like a little bit.
Oh yeah, true. So
On
the so would I would yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah, that would be faster actually.
yeah, just like two more steps, like one more face,
Yeah.
because then cipher doesn't go all the way.
Alright, give me good moles and I'm happy.
No way.
Yo.
Wait, it is
Let's go!
sick. Finish.
Let's go. Okay. Now please nothing dumb happen. Alright.
Sick.
I think that beat my goal. Wait, maybe it didn't.
I think that was sub one, right? Wait, no, that's not how long this all will be.
No.
Okay, yeah,
Fuck.
sub 130.
Okay. I did not beat my goal by like 200 milliseconds.